Have you ever thought about where trees actually get their mass from? The knee-jerk reaction is to think it comes from the soil, but that can't be true because if you have a tree in a big pot, as the tree gets bigger, the soil level doesn't go down at all. The answer, as it turns out, is that the mass comes from thin air. The clue is if you look at what the bulk of the tree is actually made of. It's almost entirely carbon. Pretend I'm a tree. Basically, a tree sees a carbon dioxide molecule floating by, then it powers up with energy from the sun using photosynthesis, then it uses that energy to rip the carbon from the oxygen, then it takes that carbon and slaps it on itself to get more swole. And so trees start really small, but in order to get bigger and bigger, they're just sucking more and more carbon out of the air. And so now you can see a tree and appreciate the beauty in the shade, but also that they're just these really massive vacuum bags completely stuffed full of carbon.